Hi students, in this topic we are going to learn about atomic size in the periodic table. So as we know, in the periodic table there is periodicity in the properties of element regarding their atomic masses. So atomic size is very good example to explain the periodicity in the periodic table. Now first of all, let us understand what is atomic size. As we know, atom is spherical in shape. Therefore, suppose this is the atom, this is the nucleus of atom, and this is first orbit, this is second orbit, and this is third orbit. So consider atom of sodium. So in sodium there are 2 electrons in first orbit, then 8 electrons in second orbit, and 1 electron in third orbit. So this is the last orbit of sodium. Now atomic size means the radius of this last orbit, okay, means from center of the nucleus to the last orbit. So this is the atomic radius of atom. But as we know, atom is very small. So atomic size is measured in the unit called picometer, okay, and 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. So this is the relation of picometer with meter. So let us consider about atomic size among the elements uh, in second period. So we know that second period. We know that in second period the elements are lithium, whose electronic configuration is 2 1. Then beryllium 2 2. Then boron and its electronic configuration is 2 3. Then carbon electronic configuration 2 4. Then nitrogen electronic configuration 2 5. Then oxygen electronic configuration 2 6. And then fluorine, whose electronic configuration is 2 7. And then there is neon. So let us consider up to fluorine only. And as there are only 2 orbits in every atom of second period elements. Now atomic size in picometer, okay, so we are measuring atomic size in picometer. So atomic size of lithium is 152. Then atomic size of beryllium is 111. Atomic size of boron is 88. Atomic size of carbon is 77. Then nitrogen is 74, 66 and 64. So we can see that the atomic size is decreasing from left to right, and lithium is the biggest atom in this period and fluorine is smallest atom in this period. So this is the trend, means atomic size is decreasing from left to right. But neon is exception. Actually the size of neon is bigger than fluorine. But what is the reason why this atomic size is decreasing? Though there are 2 orbits in atom of every elements, so the number of orbit is constant but atomic size is decreasing. So what is the reason? The reason behind that is, as we are moving from left to right in this spirit, the number of electrons are increasing, means atomic number is increasing. Thus, as we know, the number of electrons is always equal to the positively charged protons in the nucleus. It means as number of electrons are increasing, the number of protons and hence the positive charge is also increasing. So nuclear charge is increasing, therefore the pull of the nucleus on the outermost orbit is also increasing, and that's why the atomic size is decreasing among the period. Now what is the trend of atomic size in group? Now let us consider the group number 1. So it is the group of alkali metal. We know that group number 1 is the group of alkali metals, and the elements in group number 1 are lithium, then there is sodium. So hydrogen is the first element, then lithium, but we are just discussing from lithium. Okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium, and last element is francium. But we are discussing only about these elements. And what is the atomic size? Now, first of all, we will see the electronic configuration of these elements. So electronic configuration: lithium is 2,1, of sodium is 281, of potassium is 2881, of rubidium is 1881, and then cesium 1881. So lithium has only 2 shells or orbits, then sodium has 3 orbits, potassium has 3 orbits, rubidium has potassium has 4 orbits, rubidium has 5 orbits, and cesium has total 6 orbits. So from top to bottom, the number of orbits goes on increasing. Now what is the atomic size in picometer? So what is lithium? What is the atomic size of lithium? It is 152. Then sodium. The atomic size of sodium is 186 picometer. Then potassium is 231 picometer. And then rubidium is 244 picometer. And cesium has atomic size 262. Okay. So you can see that the atomic size is increasing as we move from top to bottom. What is the reason? The reason is simple. Because as we are moving from top to bottom in the group, one more shell is adding, and that's why the atomic size is also increasing. Though their nuclear charge is increasing, but the main reason is their number of shells are increasing, and that's why the atomic size is increasing. Thus we can see the periodicity of properties in the modern periodic table. Okay.